In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off cellular data for Photos app on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. If you want to turn off cellular data to restrict updates of your Photos app, including uploading photos from iCloud and backing up photos to iCloud, you can easily do so. To do that, head over to Settings, then scroll down and search for Photos. After that, scroll down until you find wireless data here. Get into it, then tap at wireless data. As you can see, now it is turned to WLAN or WLAN and the cellular data. WLAN means Wi-Fi networks, so now both of that connections are enabled to use for Photos app. However, if we would like to turn off cellular data to save some cellular traffic, we just need to select WLAN. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.